Industrial Borescope Quick Guide. A rigid borescope can be connected to 3 different types of light sources. To use the ACMI post connector, simply unscrew the ring adapter. For the wolf post connection, screw the adapter back on. To use a spark light source, simply slip it on the wolf adapter and secure the nut. This is the basic configuration for a rigid borescope. To use an adjustable MS LED light source, detach the spark handle, and screw the STORZ adapter over the wolf. Connect the fiber optic cable to the STORZ adapter. This is an upgraded configuration of a rigid borescope. The semi-flexible Fiberscope has 2 connections, one wolf and the other STORZ. To use a spark light handle, simply slip it on the light post and tighten the securing nut. This is the basic configuration of semi-flexible Fiberscopes. To use the MS LED light source, detach the spark handle and screw on the STORZ adapter. Connect the fiber optic cable to the adapter. This is an upgraded configuration of semi-flexible Fiberscope. To extend the life of the borescopes, make sure to clean them after each use. Take care to clean the eyepiece, the probe, and the end tip. Storage: store them in a cool and dry place above 5 degrees.